Adobe Photoshop is a registered trademark of Adobe Systems Incorporated, and I am in no way affiliated with Adobe.
Okay, so on this tutorial I'm going to actually be talking about merging all of these images together, because if we would like to work on this and we go to image adjustment, it's not going to let us. It's not going to let us go in and change colors and curves and all that. So what you're going to have to do is go over here, zoom in on this little triangle that I'm at, click on it, and you want to click on merge layers. So you click merge layers, and as you can see, it automatically just gives this one layer here to work with. So if you turn it off and on, you can see it's just one. So now if we go to image adjustments, we can actually adjust our adjustments here to whatever we like. And I wanted to show you that because for some people, they would not understand that you need to merge everything before being able to work on your image. So that is basically merging layers or merging visible layers, and it needs to be done. It has to be done if you want to keep on working with your images, because if not, it's not going to look completed. And you need to be able to keep on working and keep on going. And I'm going to show you on the next tutorial a little bit about cleaning up the image, just a little bit.